The Meghalaya Police announced that a member of the Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc), identified as Samuel Walang Pasanteo alias Samuel Walang of Umpawin in Riboy District, had surrendered before the Superintendent of Police of East and West Khasi Hills District at Mairang on the 25th of February 2026. The information was shared by the Office of the Director General of Police through the Assistant Inspector General of Police. Officials stated that the surrender took place in the presence of his family members, community leaders and senior police personnel. Police said Samuel Walang is suspected to have been involved in the IED blast near the Syndicate bus stand at Them Yomolong on the 9th of March 2024, in addition to other alleged activities in previous years. Authorities further revealed that during preliminary questioning, he admitted that he and other Hnlc members based in Bangladesh had attempted to recruit local youth into the outfit over the past 2 years. In a separate but related case, police had earlier registered a case against 2 individuals for allegedly recruiting youth and planting an IED at Umsning Market on the 12th of October 2025. The device was later detected and safely defused, and the accused were arrested from Umsning.